I am here vibing with one of the cool rulers in the entertainment industry. His parents named him Curtis McConey and O'Brien, but we know him as
Tony Curtis.
Father Curtis.
Bless it.
How things, sir?
Yes, teach
It's
them.
an honor, you know.
Son,
Manners
son,
and respect.
son. Teach them rolling up some blunts at the mind headies. Sipping and some Molly with some Hennessy. Rocking to the teach them on YouTube. I miss say that's rolling. Some make them believe what them want believe. Teach them you turn it up and down the place with ease. I may say ask the Jamaican and the Japanese. Teach them keep rolling.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Father Curtis.
Bless it.
Early life, place of birth.
Well, Polyground St. Catherine, you know, you don't know, Yorton St. Catherine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm,
Yorton.
Siblings?
Well, 9 of us. You don't know, me make 9.
Yeah.
But 8 brothers and sisters.
Yeah. How many brothers, how many sisters?
5 brothers, 4 sisters.
What was it like growing up though with so many siblings?
Actually, we never get to grow together, you know. We some of us, they're with auntie, some they're with grandma, you know, and some they're with them father.
Yeah.
You know? My mother sent me to my father, but my father said he couldn't manage me. So he sent me to my auntie. You know, he's a movable man, up and he can't manage me. So he have to send me go to my auntie where hold on for me and say, don't move, boy!
Yeah.
You know? Right, that's it.
Financially, it wasn't so bad growing up then because all of you weren't in one location.
Exactly.
Everybody still alive?
Everybody still. One brother drop out, my brother Marlon. Him drop out, but I saw it go. We have to just keep it moving. You see?
My condolences, sir.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
Mommy and daddy still around?
Daddy drop out last year, and mother still alive.
My condolences again.
Yeah, man.
And mommy alright?
Mommy alright.
Mommy alright.
Mommy's going alright.
Schooling, where did they attend school?
I went to school in Linstead and I went to school in Arnett Gardens, which is Jungle. I went over there for a while to live, and I was living there, and it get red and mad, so we have to come back over to the country, because the place red in a jungle. Anybody can tell you about 80 election in a jungle.
Yeah, man.
Gunshot ball till you beat right through, right round the clock, my lad.
So
alright, that's all.
You had left Linstead, Yorton area, moved to Jungle.
Yeah.
Which school did you attend in the Linstead area though?
Well, I went to Linstead High School, which was Linstead all age. I'm turning to high school now, yeah.
And when you were over in Kingston, which school you attended?
Irish Galley.
Irish Galley,
yes.
Okay. You came back to the roots per se.
Yes.
The music though, Tony, you're a man with such a accomplished sounding voice. How did you start with the music? How the music became a part of you and you becoming a part of the music?
Alright, my father is a musician, him named Bobby Soul. Seeing everybody from Linstead know him. And I wonder, I say, oh, this man is not on a big a star, because he look like Marvin Gaye. You know?
Okay.
You speak my father, you swear say I'm Marvin Gaye. Alright, my father is a singer and him always sing in a Linstead. Him is a leader of a band named Soul Defenders Band. So my father used to bring me out with him and stuff like that and say, you see the drum boy, play the drum. You see the trumpet, you see the keyboard, go up on it and do your stuff. Them are rare. And that's how I realized that my father was a musician, and I realized I love music because when I was living in Jungle, this man used to live beside me named Tony Welch. Him always a player. Bob Marley, right through.
The Tony Welch.
Yes, the Tony Welch. He used to play Bob Marley right through.
Tony Welch is a neighbor.
Yeah, so I get to learn every Bob Marley. So when I come to Lindsay, you know, people start paying me money. Come, me little boy, I know to sing Bob Marley, come. And then used to pay me 10 cents and, 50 cents for sing Bob Marley, and, And I said, wait, me turn artist. I'm a little boy, 5-6 year old, So it was a joy. Get it from my father, give thanks,
So daddy was responsible for your early education in the music?
Yes.
Makes sense.
And I educate myself by listening and being attentive to whosoever is being out there and doing them thing. I was always watching and observing.
Yeah. And the musical choice of Tony Welch also had an influence on you appreciating the music.
But him never know that. He never know that. Him just put on him record and put it on #1 and it play right through. Bob Marley does a play right through. Concrete jungle, where the living is hard there. You know, concrete jungle, that's where him come from. So that's
I really concrete jungle didn't have a choice.
Yeah, that was one of my favorite songs. Concrete jungle. Up to this day.
Early out, you had influence from your father, from Tony Welch indirectly, and by listening to other people.
Yes.
But when did you realize within yourself, Tony, say, the music something here, it me want to take on?
Well, about 89, walking on the street and I sing and people I say,
how old were you at that time?
Talent, you know, look at you. Yeah, I was about 14, 13, 14 them age. Yeah. Him have talent, you know, little boy. Go and sing. You sound good.
Yeah.
When you're up on the road and sing, go and sing in the studio, you record it. I say, no, ma'am. I don't know, my mother know I'm doing a record. My mother always hear me I sing. I say, go learn trade. My grandfather always say, yeah, that boy, you sing, huh? If you're not sing Jimmy Cliff, many rivers to cross, you ain't singing nothing. Come out of my face.
Yeah. So, you kept on at that time, you know, taking the influence. But when now did you decide, say, apart from me just having an appreciation for the music what Tony Welch used to play, or my father now introducing me to the instrument, me go take this serious?
Yeah. Well, 89 when I was in school, I was in Linseed school and people always tell me so much that you need to go out there and push your career. I say career, and then say yes, you know, you have a career, you're a singer, you know, you hear your voice. I say, but me just sing, me don't know nothing after. Well, listen to me, little boy. Go in the studio and record. So one day, I used to sing for enough sound around the area and mash up the place and go at Dintil, mash up the place. Any concert them have mash up the place. You know, Ghost used to come over here. And when name again, Major Christie, and time them see me, they must say, that's the singer that from Linseed. You know, and everybody I say, yo, now go up there, you know, call me, you say, I'm run Linseed, I don't want him to go flat me. So that was a thing. They used to see Al Sanchez on stage and say, go up the pan him. I mean, I say, go up the pan there, the big singer, you're mad. You know, but one day Jigsy say, I go, Jigsy King, big up yourself. One day Jigsy King say, I go, watch race, him and my virgin when him singing teeth, bigger man for me, and him and Jigsy a big man. I say, yo, we are going to watch you, you know, so you don't know if you know no fear. Nobody come and me I say, me I go look my fear. So I go around and I beg my uncle $50 and go beg my mother $100. And she say, where I go? And I say, me I go to watch you on studio. And she say, huh? Make sure say it pay off. And I say, know yourself, mommy. And me jump on the bus with Jigsy them. It was the longest bus ride in my life. When the bus I go up Mount Rasa Hill and then it a go down when the place name again go down and I watch it Firm Gully. Me say me sit down on the ground in the bus. At the worst bus ride in my life. But me say, you know, say sometimes them say the worst things them always turn out to be the best. It was about 14, 15 I go up and then one brother say, him catch side of the lady there, so man. Him not have to sit down on the ground. So I catch side of the lady until I reach out the race. So I reach out the race now. I say, paradise this. I see the place on one bag of white girl. And I say, no, sir. I need this in my life. A girl, between me and a girl, me go down there.
A girl, go down there for go look. What
girl.
That's up there?
So, at the end of the day, me never know say I would have find music. We went and we book up a place. A bit out named Jack Ruby.
Yeah, man, run a James
Jack
Avenue,
Ruby, Jack Ruby had died at the time. I have a son named Brad Ruby.
Yeah, man.
So Brad Ruby, I say, Jigsy, we are talking about, man, come in, man, and an artist,
so
man.
Jigsy was an establishing that thing at the time?
Yes. And at the time, Shaggy Wanda, he was established more than us. Because I was saying, rush them, Shaggy Wanda, rush them now. You know, that I go hard.
Yeah.
So when we go watch the race now, them have a place upstairs named Roof International.
Roof nightclub, yeah man.
Where we at the time, we hear about Roof and we hear them talk up there and we say, we'll go up there. When we go up there, we see them have a contest. So me and Jigsy there and Jigsy, no say me shy, because me are the shyest one.
Yeah.
Jigsy say, I go set down my name. And him set down for him name and set down my name as a singer.
Yeah.
So when them dead in the night and me dead there watch the contest a go on and me younger here. Well, come like we have a movie star in the place, man. Never know we have a movie star in a watch race. What the singer there? Tony Curtis!
Yeah, Tony
Step
Curtis
up!
was
I mean,
popular in
see
the
me,
overseas street.
I say, me no set down my name. And
Yeah.
Jigsy said, go on, man, you're going to go on, go on.
Yeah.
So me just go up there and the man sing and me remember the song when me sing. I think it was There'll be no darkness tonight.
Yeah.
Lady, your love will shine. Dang, dang, dang. The whole place I shell down.
Yeah.
And the man say, you see you? He's a talented youth. But I tell you what, you see, anyhow you bust the place one more time, you shall be a recording on Roof International label tomorrow morning. You shall be one of the main singers because you sound good. And I say, and lock down the whole place again. And the man say, stop!
Yeah.
You're a recording artist on Roof International label. Go inside, don't touch the mic again. And right,
That was it.
right, rest of everything starts for me.
So now, you remember the first song you recorded?
First song I recorded was first song was a song called Tell Me You Will.
Yeah.
When you hold me, when you touch me, tell me you will, tell me you will. Da da dee da da. Me remember it, but I know I used to walk with the record
Yeah,
on
man,
my
you know
finger
that way.
and spin
Spin
the
it.
record and
Yeah.
say,
And your
"Hey,
first
I mean
record,
that
that.
you don't know a thing going on, my lord, you know, recording artist
Stamp.
thing and a regular, you know."
How well did that song do though?
Yeah, you know, say it got 40 and the top 100 chart. and
Seriously?
I was
Eh.
like, wow.
Yeah.
I was like, yes. You know, my mother said, well, you can't go and go do your recording if you do it and it's successful.
So mom start warm up to the idea, you know.
Yeah.
So what did that song do for you? But before we even got there, so though, because remember the name is Curtis McCone and O'Brien. So
Yeah.
how the Tony Curtis thing drop in though?
Well, when I was at audition in Linstead, because at the time,
You mean different from the watch situation?
yeah, different from the watch
Before or
situation.
after?
Before.
Okay, cool.
This was before. This is when I get my name.
Mm-hmm.
Went up there and I sing. There was a big thick singer out there named Fred Cash and he must sing, but him big and thick, but him voice small. So every time him singing, people just a drop down. What? You gave me mine. I said, Jesus Christ, I know you must sing. You know? And Catherine big and thick
Yeah,
and him
man.
voice little bit. And so, and when I went up there to sing, I go up there to sing him and I said, no sir, I can't Linstead artist this man, don't have them youth here Linstead that waste.
Yeah.
Can't him a town tomorrow, me I bring him go a town with me. A matter of fact, you see your name, you don't name no Singing Curtis, no Danches, no nothing. Your name Tony Curtis, you're a movie star.
But that was how the Tony Curtis came about.
Yes.
Yeah, it worked.
Yes,
you
and it
understand?
worked. Hit
So
no miss.
the first song, you record it, you walk around and spin a record, and your thing. You understand? It go what? 40 on the top
40
100.
on the top 100.
But what did that song do for you though?
It opened a lot of doors. A lot of people that say, hey, I want you to record for me, you know, so I have a rhythm, we want you to come listen it and come buy some song, and the door start open. So I start going other places. So when I went to Race now, and them see me have a 45, they must say, yeah, it can work, you know, youth, and, you know, pick up from there.
So what did that lead to do as it relates to the musical growth and movement? So doors started opening, but when again did you record?
Well, I started, them take me to Kingston. And I record for some people named Kennedy International. I don't think you know Kennedy International.
No, not familiar with the name.
Yeah, but Kennedy International was one of the labels I started to record for, but the songs never
Yeah.
bust out. And when I go to Ocherius, and I start to record now. And you know, Courtney Cole, him response to RFM.
Yes.
So what we did was did our songs and we go to RFM and Courtney say, hey, I'm a new artist, them and Ray, and so you don't know the thing go. And just tell me how the thing go and Ray. I say, yeah man, bring a thing to the library and Ray and blah and we check it out and see if it's good and it's not in a bad word and stuff like that. We'll play. And we start record, so I record a song called Butterfly with me and Jigsy.
Yeah.
That was my first hit song.
Yes.
Do you catch the brand new lick?
Yeah.
Butterfly, machine up the hole.
Yeah.
It was like, I don't know if I tell you. It's like
Everything
the
start to open up.
Heaven come down. When me see how this song big, me I tell you about it big in Jamaica and big in America. But when me go Japan, my lad, a king me crown over there, my lad.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe. Everybody there on the ground and sleep. I remember who did that perform at Japan Splash. Everybody there on the ground and sleep.
Japan Splash a big show there, brother.
This 2 times that failure, the people them gone over the building over some my lad. They must have TV big like
so
that.
People can see
so that some people can see. It's when them say, Dig the King and Tony Curtis, I get my Japanese them speak. And my lad, the people them jump out of them bed and jump up and run towards the stage. And when me I say, my lad, the one song me have to do it back about 5 to 7 times.
Response was great.
My lad.
So, Butterfly open up the doors.
For real thing.
For real style.
There ain't nothing like the real thing, baby. All of them songs.
Yes.
I'm so glad you're my girl. For Stone Love and them songs that we start to record.
So the hits them start.
Them start
flow.
come. Them start come.
Producers start seek you out.
You know, we Paul say I need this artist that you have down there, Courtney Cole. So I went down there and I buck up on Weepo. Weepo, which is
the owner of Stone Love, yeah man.
So him have a rhythm named the Real Rock.
Yes.
Them say, we can't have this because Sanchez the Panit have a song name. The very first time that I saw you brown, I'm like, Sanchez, I go hard.
Yeah.
Them I say, you need to voice a song pan a rhythm and voice a combination with Jigsy. So at the time, I voice my son and brother. Some jump on in ya, and should I even listen? Should I even try? We'll just be hearing the same old lie.
Go on, sing that, man.
Go on, sing that. It doesn't matter what you do to yourself, 'cause our relationship is built on one love. You say things aren't the way they seem, but still you won't come straight with me. I can't sing more.
Yo, what if you can't do anything, man? Classic, brother.
Yeah.
Them song there are the soundtracks are we growing up here, the boyhood years. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, and classic. Zane, as a matter of fact, our biggest room for the rhythm.
Yeah, you know, give thanks.
Yes?
Yeah.
So, another man's side.
Yeah,
you kept on recording, kept on working.
Kept on working.
What came after that?
You know, say after that, I have a song named Faith. So, well, I guess it would be nice if I could touch your body, knowing not everybody is a body like you. But I gotta think twice. Then I think them, sweet lady, could you be my sweet love for a lifetime? You know, it's them keep coming.
Yes.
Till I find a producer from New York, I say, a white brother named Dan, music ambassador.
Yeah.
So him say, want an album with me. So at the time I said, I have a lot of songs. You can get some songs and put them together and we revise some more. So I had the idea that one day I wake up and I have my recording we call it answering machine.
Yes, yes.
Because I had nothing to record it on, so I just go like so on my answering machine and I say, I grade is going through my head, and that is the reason why my eyes are turning red. So I go like so, I left it on my answering machine and go like so. Everybody will call, about 7 messages when I come back. Yeah, Curtis link me, yo, that song the bad. Curtis link me, yo, that song the bad.
Yeah.
So Coachy link me and say, yo, Curtis,
Coachy
you
as
need
in
to record that
Nitty
Coachy.
Yeah.
Say, you need to record that song there. A hit song that, my lad. You hear me, I want you.
Yeah.
Voice it and mind nobody call your machine and hear it and go back. So I go like, so, and call for it and say, yo, me need to record the song and fast it from my voice. So at the time I went to New York and
Oh, the song was recorded in New York.
Yeah, New York. So went to New York and Mikey Spice was there and
Big artist there, brother.
Mikey Spice was there and I said, yeah, all you need to do is just put your voice there and wow, you know, and stuff. And
yeah, man.
Yeah, cause Mikey Spice
Them
is
know it, man.
Him
know it.
So at the time I recorded that grade and fling it out and
yeah, man. Monster it again.
Giant.
Classic. But there's a song, Tony, Sailing.
Yeah.
Me I pray my favorite Tony Curtis.
Said it's not too far from paradise, at least not far from me. If the wind is right, we can sail away and find tranquilities. Hold the canvas, can do miracles, just to wait and see. Believe in Bobby Digital producer.
Yeah.
Bobby Digital, big up yourself, Father Digital, anywhere there, big up yourself. When we were under that day there and even Mikey Spice was there.
Yeah.
Because you start record, so everywhere you go, you book artists, so you record.
Yes.
You know? So big up Bobby Digital, anywhere him there. That was a major hit song for me up to this day.
Yeah.
Anytime I sing the plate, me have to sing Sailing.
Yeah. Sailing, My Son a Murder, Butterfly, Rolling, High Grade, Hits upon hits.
Holding up a blunt, said the mine it is. Sipping in some alley with some Hennessy. And I'm rolling with Latai and a friend of these. I mean, say that's a rolling. Major hits them, my lad. Believe me when I tell you, anywhere me go, people sing every line.
Yeah. And at this point in time now, Tony Curtis would have made a name for himself.
Yes.
Tony Curtis became a household name.
Yes.
But people also know Tony Curtis for his association and alignment with a particular group.
Yeah. Well, the group, they came to me one day and Chilla you come to me and I say, we want to form a group. And I said, group? And I say, yeah, man. At the time, they were explaining to me that reggae music in Jamaica, the groups and harmonies are dying out. And we know what to do to capture it. And I figured, say, all right, as long as it's not going to stop me from being Tony Curtis, it's another career. So I say, all right, I'll give it a shot. And loss, we don't really miss that much.
Yes.
We don't really miss that much. Big up my friend them, Loki D, Chilla you and Singing Melody. Any one of them, big up on yourself.
A whole heap of vocal artistry
I had
and
a lot
talent.
of big dreams. I made a lot of bad moves. I know I'm hard to be around, but you never leave. My part go like so. I'm not easy to understand, but you hold out your hand and you say you love me just as I am. And we have one name. You are my inspiration. Whoa, you are. You know our love was meant to be, kind of love to last forever. And I want you here with me. I'm tonight until the end of time. You should know everywhere I go, always on my mind, in my heart and my soul. Baby, you're the meaning in my life. You're the inspiration. Watch your ladies are dance around this, me I tell you.
Quality again, classic. Loss came together, created some hits.
Yes.
Right? What happened to the group though?
You know, so the group still tour even in December.
Together?
We do crazy show we do in
nice,
December.
Man. And everybody good?
We do the amount of business place party we did in December. My lord. Trust me.
That's good, man. That's good.
Yeah, man, we still work, man.
Awesome. Yeah, you have had many hits.
Yes.
No 1 or no 2 or no 3 or no 4. Whole heap of hits. First, another thing, before we go any further, you did a song with Vibes Cartel.
Yeah.
What was it like working with Daddy?
Well, actually, you know, it was a good vibes, you know.
Yeah.
But you that recording they go with that, you know. Cause I see due to how Addy was busy and I run up and down.
Yeah.
I was busy and I run up and down. So we can't get to meet to do the songs. So me just record my part. Addy does it.
Yeah.
Sing up. But me I sing it. And me the wiggy. Smoke it, blazing, straight back till the morning. Chronic bursting in my head. Smoking, blazing, till the early dawning. Chronic bursting in my brain. That shit even a biggie. And me the siggy. Me get hype up like biggie. Beer Heineken, beer gold guinea piggy. Me get high like the biggie. Well, you know, Cartel.
But you can't DJ to man.
I was a DJ
so
before
you was a DJ before you started singing?
Yeah.
So you stop DJ?
Because people say, where are you? You're not DJ, sing.
Yeah.
So me just change back.
Yeah, that work for you still.
Yeah.
Of all the songs that you would have done, all the hits that you have, because generally sometimes it's not the song that is most popular or the biggest song commercially for the artist or the artist's favorite song. But of all the songs that you would have recorded, which is your favorite song?
I have none.
Yeah, why?
Because all of my songs, I love them. And they are dear to me. And every one of them is a stepping stone. There's no way you can have a step, but you say that favorite step is mine. All of them coming up. All of them.
But so that I said about your favorite
None
step.
of them. All of them is my stepping stone.
Yeah, but Tony, there must be a song in the catalog where you sing more than every other song.
Well, you know, say, between me still, the song that I sing, most of all my songs, I cannot say. When I sing, I grade a lot.
Yes.
I sing Love Should Have Brought You Home a lot. Because any show me depend, I start with Should I Even Listen? You know, that is a hit song. So I start with that all the time. But it's hard to really find a favorite because there are some songs, you voice them, you record them more than anything else. So it's kind of hard to really pick out and juke a song. I love all of them.
Yeah. I
I
think
mean,
you
I
sing one more than the rest of them
I
still.
know one of my song them I say, hey, man, come go on like him take man feed. That look how hard I work through the years and bust and give him forward and I come like that one.
You want the whole of them?
All of them. I love all of my song them.
Of all the places you'd have been, Tony, where's the biggest stage you'd have performed on? You walk out, but when you walk out, you say, I can't meet them people you come to see.
Well, you have a place named Bermuda.
The Bermuda crowd bigger than the Japan Splash crowd?
No. But when I was on Japan Splash, 130,000 people. But when I go to Bermuda, I see 40,000 come out to see me and me. I wonder if Super Cat depend on the show too.
Yeah. So that crowd there was Tony Curtis crowd, while the Japan Splash was everybody crowd.
Yes. So,
Makes
you know, but them come out to see you. But Bermuda is a place where I say, no, sir. And I say, yeah, man, them love you over here, you know. So, Bermuda.
Where's your favorite place to perform?
England, Japan.
Why?
England people, you know, like Jamaica, you sing a song and you say, yes, I don't know, me roll up my pants foot. Hey, boy, I roll up pants foot, I take man feed you. So, you can roll up your pants foot in England.
You can pace a performance.
You can take up little water and say, wow, I've been performing long, let me drink little water. And they might say, hey, boy, I drink water, take man feed you. Yeah, you know, but those places you can do all you want to do. Japan, they sit and they wait and you wipe your face. They say, moshi, come and sit down. You know, say, you wipe your face, look more, we wait on you. You know?
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, those there. But I think before we can say now. See? Yeah. So Japan is and England, you say, your favorite places to perform. Tony, at this stage of the career, is there anything, if you have the opportunity to change or do different, you ought to do or change?
I don't think so. Maybe I'll do the same thing all over again because I love my growing up and bringing
Yeah.
up in this music because I had done no wrong, so there's nothing I could have said, boy, you know. I wouldn't lick that man there, I wouldn't hate that man there, I wouldn't try to stop that man there. I did none of those. So all my thing was straight and positive and upful, so I would do the same thing again.
So no regrets.
No regrets.
Since you have been in the business, has there been a situation where you're another entertainer involved in any feud, lyrical, physical?
No, you know.
No.
I just hear say a lot of people that say, oh, come for Tony Curtis food, and I say, my food,
Yeah.
my song them when me make already, you come for take them or you go sing them. Because I know, oh, you can come for my food,
Yeah.
and my songs when me record already, when me I go sing forever and ever and amen.
Yes.
Big up Boom Dynamite, because him see me and him say, singer, let me tell you this. You see, anywhere you go, and you hold and walk by one tick like so, and you say, well, I guess it would be nice. You are going to get a response.
That's a joke.
No care when nobody wants it.
Yeah,
So
true.
from that, me laugh and me I say, you know what, true you attack, even this day, me see me say, boom, you remember and they tell me that me still at work with it.
Your work, your
And
work,
I say,
yes, sir.
Jesus Christ, singer, look there, cool bum fool me on. Big up Boom Dynamite.
You and Jigsy King
Yeah.
have had a number of hits.
Yes.
The chemistry for the next level.
Yeah.
And you and Jigsy King continue to be friends, continue to work together.
Yeah.
Mm.
Jigsy was like my big brother, you know.
Yeah.
At that time, Jigsy used to live next door. So anytime him come in off him bathroom, and him what we doing in the I sing something. I say, sing this Curtis. I sing, I'm always find the song them for me singing.
Yeah.
Always. Him Curtis, sing it, Bobby Brown, sing it, R. Kelly.
Yeah.
Always I give him the song them for sing. So big up Jigsy King. Anyway, him there, you don't know, he's a good youth regardless of what. Me and him might, you know, true loss.
Yeah.
People say, boy, you run left Jigsy, but
Mm.
me have 3 careers. I have Tony
Yeah,
Curtis,
3 career, yeah.
me have Jigsy King and Tony Curtis, and me have Lost.
Lost,
So I
yeah.
have 3 careers. me
3
have.
career. And you appreciate all 3 of them.
all of them. I work with all of them.
So hold on, can you just mention a little thing I think we need to prove a little. So when you made the move to be a part of Lost, there was friction between you and Jigsy?
People have said that.
People
but,
have said that.
But him hold him harder. And
Him
him
did
have-
understand how it thing go?
Yeah, because at the time I had branched out to push more on Tony Curtis.
Solo.
Yes. And doing so, I saw the Lost Man, he must see me and I say, yo, we need a singer in our group, you know. And I saw me go over there and sing some songs and, you know.
Yes. But you and Jigsy good.
Yeah, me and Jigsy good. Because even this year, which is 2020,
Yeah.
we booked for some fest already, which is
Already?
me and Jigsy. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, and we have a Japan tour come up too.
When is the tour?
In September.
So after some fest.
Yeah.
That's
So-
good, man.
Yeah, man.
That's good. Any new recordings or recent recordings or recordings in the pipeline with
I
Jigsy?
have one called not TikTok, but me call it Badman Place.
Yeah. It's
So-
voice already?
Advice already and it is doing good.
It's out.
It's online.
Give me a piece right now, man.
Say me say we no TikTok, we no get pulled over. Me and my friends I no push over. Me say we no TikTok in a Badman Place. Whoa. I hear them talking a lot. Get fi understand them a talking parrot. But then again, we no TikTok in a Badman Place. And Jigsy come in and say, Antank, and wolf a dead trap and wolf a something. You know what I'm going
Yeah,
like
I don't play. It's an special too that again. I don't play settings, you know.
Yeah. And me have one named Homesick.
Collab again?
No,
Ah,
me alone.
us,
Me
yeah.
alone. Homesick.
Out?
Yeah, it's out.
Mm-hmm.
So look online for it. Homesick. It's a brand new song where me really attack. But you know, say actually it's a producer write it. Big up yourself to Country Pride Production. Some youth from down at Mandeville.
Yeah.
Them say them want to record a song for me, so them write it. So I say, I go down there and listen to it and, you know.
Yes.
Yeah,
You with
say,
2 line out
yeah,
that
well.
song, now, Tony?
I get homesick, feeling homesick. And for the part people when they are foreign,
Yeah.
the good times will run my mind. I feel nostalgic,
Yeah.
feeling homesick. I'm so homesick. I gotta pack my things and go. I'm feeling, you know. I say, honestly, Me not mad myself. I don't remember all of it, but I
That
remember
makes sense.
Homesick.
You know one thing, me not point out from me stand up beside you, listen you sing. Hey man, voice clean like a crystal, brother.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yo.
I try my best not to stress and cause unhappiness.
It is. I want more true that right to say that.
Yeah.
Is there anything where you not achieve yet?
Well,
As an entertainer, where
yes.
you want or something?
Well, there are so many things, but you can't kill yourself, Because I've seen a lot of people, even the great Bob Marley, him come out and him not get a lot of things, but him get a lot of things when him dead. Him just not get them when he was alive. And people tend to do that, but I promise myself that I want a Grammy.
Album setting that.
Album setting that.
Have you ever recorded any albums up to this point?
Me?
Yeah.
I 8 album.
8 albums.
Just look online, Tony Curtis, Reggae.
Any names?
Tony Curtis, Reggae.
Tony Curtis, Reggae.
You have my first album, when I did for Roof, was Designing Woman.
Yeah.
Designing Woman with Butterfly and them songs there. I have, when I did for Music Ambassador, was High Grade album. And I have one called Johnny Was a Good Man. And about 7 albums I have out them.
Yes.
Them out there, 7 albums. You have one I do in New York, I have 2 I do in England. One I do in St. Mary. So much album, brother, believe me.
Which one has been the most successful?
The one with High Grade. And the one with you have one named My God Is Real.
My God Is Real.
But my Butterfly the pan High Grade album too,
Okay,
and
okay.
Faith and all of them songs. Because what I did was I compiled, and the man I said, call it best of Tony Curtis. I say, you're mad. Best of the artists with them done with, and the best of them that just call it one of the album off of the album. And they must say, to call it, yeah. And I say, you must have to call it some name. And I say, I don't like all the album, that name there. It's on Time Has Come, you must have to call it. And I say, Time Has Come? Me no want no name, no go like so.
Yeah.
Name it a one different song. Me have High Grade, me have Rolling, me have Faith, me have Love Should Have Brought You Home. Don't call me album Time Has Come.
Yeah.
You must say, because it's a new song, and you want people to get used to the new song, so you give it the name of the new song. Me say, Let them learn it one way. No call my album Time Has Come. Me no want no word sound and power take itself on me. So I had to give the album a different name. But about 8 albums out there, brother. No.
Yes. And there are plans in the pipeline to record another.
You talk about, man.
So who are some of the people you're working with now in terms of producers and labels?
Well, labels as in producers. You have Chuck Back, you have John, which is King Jammy's son.
Yeah.
You have a brother in England named Cousins. Him produce an album for me. If you look online, you see it. Cousins Presents Tony Curtis. It's a very beautiful album. Cousins Presents Tony Curtis. All of the songs them on the album are studio ones rhythm. Because the brother who produced the album, his father was Coxsons. Coxsons were produced.
Sir Coxson, that
Coxson.
man.
Fime's son produced the album for me. So all of the studio one album from them time there, and them I sing pan. So it's a crazy. Cousins Presents Tony Curtis. Yes.
Nice.
So that album is
So you're working with local producers, you're working with international producers, local and abroad?
Yes, local and abroad. Country Pride Production, big up on yourself, because una push the fire in the pipeline now, and I like that.
Tony, family life, kids?
Yeah, I have kids, To be honest, I not lie, for my kids them, about over 8 of them, or 9.
Same mother?
No.
They're grown, are them still?
Them
young,
you have,
are mixed?
You have little ones, but you have big ones.
Yeah. Married?
I'm considering, but
You're
I'm
considering?
not married, yeah.
Okay, so probably one of them days.
One of these days. As an artist,
Yeah.
I mean, look on life different, you know. People call, I say me an atheist. I say, atheist? Nobody hate or hate you. Yes, because you don't believe in nothing. You're an atheist. Me I say, you don't understand what you're saying because that not go for Tony Curtis.
Yeah.
A be love me, deal with people and give people love. You know? Yes, what I say. But the marriage thing, I will get to it someday. But
someday.
It's not me yet.
Yeah, not you yet.
Yeah. I'm fighting, but it's not me yet.
Tony, one of the things where, you know, in the local music and the local music scene, when an artist, you know, quote unquote, in the days hot, they must see you everywhere, every interview, every radio station. And after a while, you know, for whatever reason, either the artist oversees a tour or the artist take a hiatus or whatever. Whatever things we say the artist fall off, the artist pop up.
But for singers, Freddie McGregor said to me one day, I said, listen, you're a singer. Pop down is not for singers. It's not for singers because a singer, you can record one album as long as it's an hit album, you're going to sing that album for the rest of your life as long as you're on earth. Singers, no pop down. I look on the great Sanchez and I see that Barry Salmon, John Holt, all of them people, in them times when I go to England with John Holt and Lost Hot Like Fire, burn me.
Yeah.
And John Holt, I mean, I say, who they make John Holt come after Lost?
Yes.
Everybody afraid of we.
Yeah.
And then John Holt come after we. John Holt have a song up in England name. Take the ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall. Lay it soft upon my chair, like a cloud upon the wall. My youth, believe me, when me hear the man sing that and look upon the people them in the crowd, the young girl them come out, come see we, and everybody, every single body in the show, I tear up John Wall clothes and ball and scream and say, then how the man here sing so long before we and him still hot? How this?
Yeah.
So Freddie McGregor said to me, because he was on the tour, he said, singers, no matter where you hear them saying in Jamaica, singers never die. Just believe me when I tell you that. Don't watch
that
Jamaica.
Makes sense. That makes sense.
Don't never believe me when I tell you.
You would have worked with a number of artists on a collaborative level.
Yeah.
Is there any entertainer or entertainers in the business who you never work with it, who you then really like to do some work with?
Put it this way.
Yeah.
I'm a free spirit person. I would work with anyone. It's not, as long as you're talented and you can work, I'll work with you.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter if you're hot, if you're cool, as long as you can carry the notes and you sing and you work properly and you do your thing good, I am good to go with you. So I'm not really specify
as long as talent
nobody.
is there.
Yes.
So there's no really dream collaboration for Tony Curtis?
No. If we bring Rihanna come and she says she wants to sing High Grade with me, and she does sing, high grade, and me just sing, high grade is good, I am ready.
You're good?
Yes.
Yeah. That God already still in Tony that you said. You say.
That's what I'm saying.
That's true, man. That God already. So, Tony Curtis, for the people that I wonder what has been going on. What has Tony Curtis been up to in recent times?
Well, between now and still, what me I do is just go and sing and go and tour. Maybe because you might not see Tony Curtis out there on every interview and doing all of the stuff there. You might say, hey, pop down, but food in my pot, money in my clothes, my picnic them I go to good school and have a nice house out of music. So
yes.
I'm comfortable. So somebody now go see Tony Curtis and I say, hey, more the pop down. I rang somebody
pop down enough to sing.
But you know I know me say it at them say it.
Yeah. So Tony Curtis is able to put food on the table to feed his family. Tony Curtis still a tour.
Reggae music with tour.
Still a record.
Still a record.
Dub plates on a regular.
Every other day.
Every other day. Every other day.
So, and I like we're hungry.
Yeah.
So, singers singers not come here for dead.
Yeah.
As when you're dead and gone, your music still play and it lives on. Don't make nobody trick you, my lad. Believe me when I tell you. And anyway you see Tony Curtis perform, just come watch.
True.
And stand up in a crowd and tell me if you don't hear the people them sing along with me and a groove with me.
Yes.
So I don't have a problem. Until I find another hit song, I will just be here singing the ones that I have and be grateful that I had them. Because you know what? Me look on what they are. And I say to him, I say, be grateful for every song where you get in a life. Because you have many artists who only get one.
Some don't get none.
Exactly, and some don't get any. So be grateful for every song that you have and be thankful.
Yeah.
Is what I say.
Makes sense.
Makes sense.
Is there anything about the music now, if you have the opportunity to change it, or anything you say with the music where you not really think are the best thing where you then change?
Well, there's a lot of things in it and you cannot change them because times grow,
Things change.
things change. People come here and say, we are doing, say, you know, if you do that, but them don't know because them are grow and come. You know, so them now go do the music where we do, the way how we do it.
Yes.
Because we
True.
can't go scare and we can't go rock steady. We sing reggae because it will come see. Maybe the next man will come and say, yo, square game me a sing, you know, because I can't buy the reggae car. What them used to say to me and say, Curtis, you are singing pan too much slow rhythm. And now, you see the slow rhythm them, it a feed me.
Yes.
They must say, yo, if you go up more of the rhythm, them will say,
Yeah.
But
Die
the
out
slow
quick.
rhythm, them a feed me, my lad. See it when a man come to me and him say, hey, me have 15 W singing, you know. And some people say, me come at the studio and I say to Adrian, say, Adrian, take up them song and send them to my email address. He say, Curtis, I saw you going and go. Let me say, Adrian, I'm a singer. People call me for my songs and when I do some, me just go sing them and there's nothing wrong with that.
Yes.
But the man go like say, Ray. Me I say, I saw lifestyle.
Yes.
You know me I say, what you see you don't know, you just live and leave it alone.
True.
Yeah, man.
The people them out there who want to find Tony Curtis, want to book Tony Curtis, how they go about it?
Alright. Don't call me and bother me about nothing more than music. 430 5423 for any dub plate, any bookings. 430 5423. And you don't know Tony Curtis Music on Instagram. You can link me on that Facebook, Tony Curtis Music. Wherever you want to find me, Tony Curtis Music, and you will end up with me. Blessed love.
For the music though, Tony, where can people, apart from YouTube,
Yeah.
we mean the digital platforms that Tony can make some money.
Yeah.
Where else people can find the music? We want to spend some money and buy the music.
Well, you don't know.
No iTunes,
iTunes,
Spotify, CD baby, no?
no CD.
Pandora.
You know Pandora.
Yeah.
You don't
So the
know.
music is out there for the people that want to find it.
You don't know. Tony Curtis is out there. If you have where the little girl name again, like what's your name again, man? Not the one on iPhone. What's your name?
Siri.
Siri. Do you have another
Alexa.
one? Alexa. Go on Alexa and say, Alexa, play me some Tony Curtis. He will
Yeah.
play from now till the morning.
Yeah.
So you will know how much Tony Curtis. You say, Alexa, play me some Tony Curtis reggae, and she will play a lot of songs.
So Tony is still around, the voice is still crystal clear and
Beautiful
powerful.
and dear and
You
I am
understand?
ready.
And here and ready.
Yes.
Yes. Bigger boss, really and truly appreciate the fact that the man take some time.
Yeah.
The reason. Really and truly appreciate the
Yes,
vibe.
man.
You understand? Appreciate the work what the man put in. Because as I said, growing up as a boy, a lot of it, because I saw used to the name Love Zone.
Yeah.
And a retreat set near there. And every Friday night, every Saturday night, and the songs became the soundtrack for your childhood.
Yes,
You
growing
understand?
up, yes.
And it is interesting to Tony that as the music change and the values in the music change, you stay true to yourself.
Yes,
You
man.
remain conscious, clean.
Yes, man, I'm positive and clean.
That makes sense.
Yes,
I
man.
appreciate that.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself.
Teach them! Teach them rolling up some blunt, set them mind at ease. Sipping and Zamali with some Benosi. Rocking to the teach them on YouTube. I may say that's our rolling. Some make them believe what them want believe. Teach them you turn it up and down the place with ease. I may say ask the Jamaican and Japanese. Teach them keep rolling. Boom, 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 boom. I grade is going through me head. Teach them we say, and that is the reason why the dance is burning. Red, 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 red. Teach them. Boom, Tony Curtis, I'm out.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.